In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to quickly sync ClickUp tasks to Google Calendar events with two-way updates. This walkthrough will show you how to connect ClickUp to Google Calendar so your tasks and events stay in sync. Two-way sync means that when you update a task in ClickUp, the event in Google Calendar changes too, and when you adjust the event in Google Calendar, the task updates back in ClickUp. It's a great way to keep your schedule and your task list perfectly aligned. Start by opening your browser and going to ClickUp.com. Sign into your workspace so you're on the main dashboard. On the left-hand sidebar, look for the More option. If your sidebar is collapsed, hover over it or expand it so you can see the full list. Click More to reveal additional options, then select Apps. This is where ClickUp's integrations live. In the Apps section, find and click Google Calendar. This opens the integration details. Here, you'll see the feature labeled Two-Way Sync to Google Calendar, which is exactly what we want. This screen explains the connection and what will sync, such as task dates appearing as calendar events. Go ahead and click Connect. A Google prompt will open. Choose the Google account you want to link and grant the requested permissions so ClickUp can create and update events on your behalf. During this flow, you may be asked to pick which calendar to use. Many teams choose a dedicated project calendar to keep things organized, but your primary calendar works too if that's simpler for you. Once connected, ClickUp will begin syncing tasks that have dates. Tasks with a specific start and due time will appear as timed events. Tasks with only a due date typically show up as all-day events. If you change the date or time in ClickUp, you'll see the adjustment in Google Calendar shortly after. Likewise, dragging an event to a new time in Google Calendar will update the task back in ClickUp. Most changes appear within a minute or two, but a short delay is normal. A few tips to get the best results. Make sure your tasks have dates, since undated tasks won't appear on a calendar. If a task isn't showing, check your time zone settings in both ClickUp and Google Calendar and refresh your calendar view. Also, be mindful of privacy and visibility. Choose a calendar that's appropriate for who should see these events. You can always return to the apps page in ClickUp to review or manage the connection. That's it. You've enabled the two-way sync, and your tasks and events will now stay in step automatically.